New nice piece here in from a customer here. This is one of Springfield's gear up package here. It comes with firearm, multiple magazines, all right, for the novice shooter. Nice place to store all your magazines at, your firearm, and go to the range and have a blast. This particular customer chose the Springfield Pro. It's the Pro version, which is a more full-size version of it here. All right, the Hellcat. All right, nice Hellcat Pro there. More full-size, nice grip there. This weapon be great for anyone that wants to go out and just enjoy range, enjoy shooting. It comes with multiple magazines, but typically you only get 1 or 2 in this particular deal here. This gear up package, they got 4 and 5 magazines where you definitely can enjoy more shooting and less loading and get out and have some fun for the holidays with the family, or just get out and get some shooting in. 1485 South Orange Blossom Trail. If you guys want to come by, check out what firearms. If you guys looking to get any firearms training and get more experience with that firearms, definitely the place to come, and also pick up your nice tool to enjoy for your home and family and self-defense. We're located here just in Apopka, South Apopka, 1485 South Orange Blossom Trail. Nice log cabin, you can't miss us. Check out the environment. Who doesn't like wood log cabin, all right? Come on, check us out. We see you, we love to earn your business. See you soon.